are going to keep it short from my side anyway. And I'll let Johnny to start our session with his presentation. And let's see what he has to share with us, followed by John. Both of the gentlemen, along with Moomal obviously, have been actively involved in a lot of youth activities. They have done a tremendous job in terms of flood relief work, creating awareness among the population, among their communities, in their friendship circles, and raise some funds as well. That was a bonus. But I think what we have to see, what these people have to say beyond that. And personally speaking, I would like to hear what they see their role in terms of what Sana has to be and what we can do for the people of Sindh in general. So, without any delay, please welcome Johnny. And Moomal, sorry. I'm not gender biased, by the way. So.
Oh, really?
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Moomal Shaikh. I'm from St. Louis, and my voice is kind of sore right now, so I'm going to try speaking as much as I can.
Assalamu alaikum. I'm Moomal Shaikh. I'm also from St. Louis, and we're just going to discuss a little bit about what we did to raise awareness about the floods that hit Pakistan last summer.
So our work started off as soon as the media started covering the devastation that had occurred in Pakistan, and I just felt that, I think we in general just felt that as Sindhis, since Sindh was the hardest hit region for this flood, I think it was our duty as Sindhis to do as much as we can for our Pakistani brothers and sisters to raise money and raise awareness here in America for them. Our work started off basically targeting young college students, because one of the things I found out is when I started doing work, when I was going around passing out flyers and raising awareness for this, people did not even know that there was a flood that had occurred. Everyone on campus knew about Haiti that had occurred, everyone knew about Indonesia when the tsunami had occurred, but no one knew about the Pakistan flood that had occurred. And this was 3 times that of any of those previous devastations.
So what we did to raise awareness initially is we just got a bunch of pictures together and some media clips, and Johnny actually made a video about it, and then we printed flyers and stood around on campus and handed them out. We also had the pleasure of going to a local college, thanks to Nana Jaz, and we presented the video at her Fastathon and raised some money there. And we had a few events around our college, St. Louis University. So that initially, we just, our initial awareness, we just got a bunch of pictures together and printed flyers and started raising awareness around campus, and then we had more events to raise more money.
I'm just gonna play this video. I think it just sums up like how we actually made an impact on students, especially. Because I think this video actually caught their attention. When people just go up to speak, it really doesn't make any sense to them. There's just somebody talking. But I think the video kind of just outlines everything, especially with great images that show the devastation that had occurred. Oh, I guess it's not working. I don't think this is actually working. I think we have internet, but I'll play it in a couple seconds. I'll just move on.